This is how you guys can literally just copy me and have the best year of your life in 2025. This is all you guys have to do, okay? Short video, I know. But this is easy principles that everyone can apply to achieve success, greatness within yourself. Cut out all the distractions. Cut out all of the noise, all of the people that are belittling you, not helping you get towards your higher self, higher purpose, consciousness, awakeness, whatever you want to call it. Whatever spiritual person you believe in, picture it as that. I have this green Angry Bird over here. Picture this green as highlighting success, growth, right? And there's a red one too. There's a red Angry Bird too. I literally just picked this up, okay? We don't want to be the red Angry Bird, getting angry that we didn't achieve our dreams. We want to be the green bird that launches past ourselves, our previous versions of ourselves. Because that's what the birds do. They slingshot each other. Bam, out they go. Right? And if a bird can flap its wings, then we can achieve our dreams as well. Right? You think every bird flaps their wings? Some probably can't. All right? But they have to practice and practice. Even if they can't, they still believe they can. And you can. That's what I'm saying, bro. Everything is in the head. So if you guys want to make 2025 the best year of your life, please cut out everything that is not holding you to your fullest, bro. Holding you accountable. I know what I need to do. I know exactly what I need to do. It's time to double down. Let's fucking go. All right? Let's make 2025 the best year of our lives. Love you guys. See you guys soon.